Letter G.
Letter G.
Letter G.
Letter G.
Letter G.
Go. G. Go. G, 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 as in girl. G is the sound of G. G, 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 as in girl. G is the sound of G.
Today we will meet Thomas and Sarah.
I am Thomas. I am a boy. This is my sister Sarah. She is a girl. We like to play.
Is Sarah a girl? Yes, Sarah is a girl. What do Thomas and Sarah like to do? Thomas and Sarah like to play. Boy, boy. Girl, girl. Play, play.
My name is Thomas and I am a boy. Come and play with me, we can play all day. My name is Sarah and I am a girl. Come and play with me, we can play all day. I am a girl. I like to play. I like to play with my brother. We enjoy playing.
What can they play? Hide and seek. Hopscotch. A girl, a boy. Tall, short. A girl, a boy. Tall, short. She is a girl. She likes to play. She plays with her brother.
I am Sarah. I am a girl. I like to play. Are you a boy or a girl? Do you like to play?
Letter G.
Go. Go. Go.